Hello guys, welcome back once again to the Rannlab channel. Today we are going to discuss specifically about the professional emails. So if you have purchased a professional email on your Rannlab Infra, then how you can configure it on the Outlook application on your mobile so that it will be easy for you to check the mails and send the mails. So we will do the configuration, or we will check the configuration today. Okay, so first of all you need Outlook application in your phone. So you can go to your Play Store, search for Outlook, and then you need to install this Microsoft Outlook application in your phone. Okay, so I already have this application in my phone, so I'm not doing the installation process. So when you have done the installation, you need to open this Outlook application, and then as I have already configured few of my emails in my Outlook application, so it is showing the previously configured emails. So what do you when you are opening it first time, so it will ask you to configure an email. So it is similarly like this: create an account, add share email, and add an account. So you need to go to the add account. So it will ask you to for add an account, so you need to go to the add account. If you have already logged up the email accounts in your phone, like I have already done with the Hotmail account, so it is asking for configure it right now. So I'm not doing the configuration of this account. I want to go with the configuration of my professional email. So I'm of the email skipping this process, and then I need to enter an email that I have already purchased from my Rannlab Infra portal. So when you do the process, so it will automatically fetch the service provider. Okay, that we have already sent to you when the first time we have configured the email for you. IMAP setting. So I'm here. I need to enter my password. Okay, I can check the email. I can leave the description for now, and to just click on the check button on the right corner, and then it will automatically uh, set up my email. So it is the email that has been set up now. Okay, so if I want to check that, I can write any of the email account and write any of the text or a subject. I can send. So once the email has been sent, so right now my email is in the outbox. I can see email has been received to the email account using the IMAP setting, and you can configure with the Outlook account, and then you can use it. This video will help you to configure your account on your phone. So subscribe this channel so that you will get more updates about the Rannlab Infra or Rannlab Technology Services.